Forgotten username recovery failed on Yolt Business Fix. If your Yolt Business username recovery keeps failing, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because they assume Yolt still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Yolt now relies on your registered email as the main login credential, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Yolt Business app or go to the website. Enter the email linked to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from Yolt, such as account statements, transaction alerts, or business updates. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email does appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Many failed recovery attempts happen because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Yolt Business Support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Yolt remove usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and business funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your Yolt Business account in minutes.